This news has been added from Karachi. Karachi lady reporter Aruj Khan, an American actress, expressed her feelings and said, I feel ashamed that my taxes are being used to appease Palestinian children. We all have a rise our voice against this oppression.
Person and as an American, I am horrified by the Israeli government's massacre of well over 65,000 Palestinians in Gaza. I am ashamed and infuriated that this mass murder is funded by our American tax dollars. I know that my call for a liberated Palestine comes from a desire for mutual safety of all people living in the region, and I know that my condemnation of Israel's bombardment of Gaza is not despite what I learned in Hebrew school, but because of it. Israel's actions are not in the name of Jewish safety, and it is the very conflation of Israel's actions with the Jewish people that continues to endanger Jews around the world.